Hey everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens quad break number 127, 13-14 UD Ultimate. Last thing that ended the break was the Edmonton Oilers on December 1st at 6:56 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. To our current date and time, click refresh. It's currently Wednesday, December 2nd at 1 a.m. Eastern Time. We are live. That's on our break page. Really appreciate it. Sorry if I sound like a broken record for going over this so many times. Really do appreciate when getting many new followers on there. We are live on Breakers TV. Break 127. If it focuses when we scroll down a little bit. Our serial numbers tonight are NE221144199088884177 and 5176. That's our serial numbers. So 4199, 0888, 4177, and 5176. Filled. Okay, so turn you guys around here. Sure, serial numbers one more time. Get started. So 4199. Start off with the great ones. Last couple digits. Sorry if breakers feels like it's lagging there. It's kind of lagging on my screen. Really patch. So start off with a base card of Jordan Eberle out of $4.99. The Edmonton Oilers. Next one is the Ultimate Rookie of Tomas Yorko, $242. $4.99 for the Red Wings. The Ultimate Rookie of Scott Lawton, number 115 of $3.99 for the Flyers. On Feathers, the shoulder patch with the hammer there isn't too bad. Get a ultimate patch of Duncan Keith, number 18 of 35. To the Chicago Blackhawks. Chicago's number one goaltender. No pun intended for any of the Blackhawks fans, but 0-8 defeat. Corey Crawford, I wouldn't say is much of a number one goalie without Keith in front of him. How's the patch on yours? Fun. Okay, so box 2, we got Marcel Dion, $4.99 for the Kings. The next one is the Ultimate Rookie of Antti Ranta, $4.99 for the Chicago Blackhawks though. Antti Ranta. The next one is a autograph or Ultimate Threads auto of Antti Niemi, number 45 of 99. It is going out to the San Jose Sharks. So I might get asked, how come it's not going to the Stars? And our next one is the Ultimate Duels, which will be random between the Sharks and Ducks. We got Logan Couture and Corey Perry, 62 of 65. That will be random right at the end there. Box 3, 4177. When we get more auto patches, because I know in the last 3 days I think we've hit 4 of them. One break having 2 of them. 2 pretty good ones too. So we got base card of Chris Kunitz, $4.99 for the Penguins. Next one is a Ultimate Rookie of Jordan Schwartz, $4.99 for the Coyotes. And a Ultimate Rookie of Matt Dumba at a $2.99 for the Minnesota Wild. And you did see that right, Mike. Classic patch. Oh, we got a debut Threads patch of Jacob Trouba, number 94 of 100. Going out to the Winnipeg Jets. Jacob Trouba. Winnipeg. And 5176. So just a quick wrap before I finish up the break. So we do have 4 boxes of Ultimate again tomorrow. Single box Cup and double SP game used. And then we do have breaks on our website starting tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Check that out. So here we go, guys. So we got base card of Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, $4.99 for the Oilers. This one's the ultimate rookie of Jonas Brodin, $4.99 for the Minnesota Wild. $4.99 Minnesota Wild. And our next one is the ultimate signatures of Jonathan Huberdeau. For the Florida Panthers. And finishing up the break with a ultimate dual jersey of Nicholas Cronwall, 2-color and well soft corner on the bottom left there and a little bit on the foil there. It's Detroit, just so you be aware of that. And that concludes our break, guys. So obviously not the 4 best boxes of Ultimate tonight. For sure, we should be on to a fairly new case here. So yeah, we should be actually very close. And tomorrow still from the same case here, and then it should be a half and half, I think. Don't have it actually numbered to know exactly where we're standing on more 4 boxes from new cases. Okay, so on to our randomizer, guys. So I've got set up and over the card pairs. Sharks first, Ducks second. Each team's listed in the randomizer 3 times, and we're going to random the list 3 times. Team on top. The 3rd time is going to receive a card. So 1, 2, and 3. It's going out to the Anaheim Ducks. And you randomize this list 3 times, so congratulations Anaheim on the dual jersey.